Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi Q2 Black Edition 35 TFSi with the S-tronic gearbox. And this particular example is finished in the optional Glacier white metallic paintwork, which has really given this Q2 that standout road appearance. Now, as you look towards some of the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling, such as the front bumper, rear diffuser and side profile, as well as this you do get the gloss black accents such as the badging and the front grille. Moving towards the front of the vehicle, once again we find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now we find these Black Edition specific 19-inch diamond cut gloss black alloys which really complement the lovely white paintwork. To the side of the Q2 now there is also that rear privacy glass which does keep the rear occupants in view and continues this overall black and white theme. Moving into the rear seats now we find a part leather interior with the additional cloth elements in the centre with the additional white stitching to complement. As well there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making the Q2 perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as fine nap leather, cloth and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, does mean you get the two-tone seats which you have the Audi Sports S logo and also the lovely white stitching. Above now we find the virtual cockpit which is featured with 2 digital rev counters. It does also allow access to telephone connectivity and vehicle driving data. To the centre of the dashboard now we find this fantastic touchscreen display which has been updated in the recent Q2 models. This does also feature the satellite navigation and allows access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive climate control which is very easily adjustable. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi Q2 Black Edition which is now available at Stafford Audi.